Big word suggests this definition perfectly describe the concept of technology as a bridge between the science and new product. Each and every century we are finding something changes, right? So the IT resolutions very fastly it is increasing. To provide the manager with electronic alternative to face-to-face communication and supervision. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. I am Natesh, lecturer in Commerce, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, MYSURU, the Temple of Excellence. We are in the Unit 4, Session 1, second semester B.B.A. Business Environmental. The chapter name is Technological Environmental. In the last semester, under Marketing Environmental, we studied the macro concept now which is called as a PESTLE. So the T stand for technology, how it is very important for the business environmental. The technology is very important. And here the technology environmental, so because we know there is a lot of rapid increasing the technology, even the businessman, customers, employee, supplier, everybody is getting a benefit. Because of technology updations, we are trying to extend your production, you are trying to increase your productivity. So the technology is a collection of technique, skills, method, process used in the production of goods and service, not only which is applicable for the physical product, not only which is applicable for the service. There are different types of business offering a different product and service. The technology is taking a very important role here. So that's what there is each and every business are operating unique strategy they adopted, the unique structure, unique software is completely depending in the accomplishment of objective, because the company either you are talking related the company objective or strategy or mission words or to vision words. Okay, so everything the technology is playing a very important role, such as a scientific investigation. So before using a technology, we are trying to go for manual calculation. Now using a technology, we are getting a lot of information. Easily we can go for plan, easily you can communicate with somebody. Okay, and now technology usage and knowledge of tools, technique, craft, system and method of organization. So here the technology one subject is very important. The concept, what and all you are generating, how you are overcoming the problem, how you can tackle, how you can extract your customer, how you can communicate with the supplier, everything using a technology. So our work is very easy. Big word suggests this definition perfectly describe the concept of technology as a bridge between the science and new product. So the what and all the new product and service is coming to the market, before introducing or before launching a product to the market, of course as a businessman they want to go for analyzing or taking a proper decision. So using a technology, so it is very easy to go for them. Moving forward, so impact of the technology on business, how it is very impact on the business. Because of technology we are trying to compete with the global market or any nation economical. Okay, or you are trying to increase your productivity, you are trying to communicate, you are trying to extend your market, you are trying to capture majority of customers. So here the business mobility, business, you are starting a business within India, you can operate anywhere in the world. So which is a business you easily you can carry. So whenever the mobility nature is there, means easily you can attract, easily you can go for communicate with the different wherever the customers are located, wherever you are trying to focus a market. So and the customer relationship, because of the customer relationship in the sense, actually the company they are providing a call center facility, their customers are facing a problem, they try to get a solution immediately. So that is called for CRM, customer relationship management. So using a technology, if any customers are having any problem, they can raise the complaint. Okay, so within a span of time the problem and complaint can be resolved. So business operation, so there are different types of financial related, non-financial related. So operation, there are different department we identify. The business related operations easily we can go for using a technology technology, the businessman are getting a lot of benefit. Either you are communicating either which is related to production, either which is related to marketing or advertising. So the technology role is very important. And the corporate report. So here we know there are three types of managements are located. The corporate report means the day-to-day activity, the day-to-day performance. Easily they can generate the report using a technology, the day by day and consolidate report. And if anything, if you want to take decisions based on the report, whatever the submitted in the respected department. So the top level management, they are always expecting a report from the individual department or functional manager. So easily using a technology, our work is very simple. And corporate culture, we are trying to incorporate the cultures, the corporate culture. So now we everywhere we can find out completely computerized. IT is taking a very important role. So that's what. And the research opportunity, because as every generation new product, new service is offered, so easily R&D team using a technology, they can research, they can go for testing, they can introduce the product which is very innovative. Using a technology, we can design the product. And the industrial productivity, of course, you are using a technology, your productivity is easy because you are wasting unnecessary time without using a technology. When you are using a technology, your productivity also increasing, of course. And the reducing business cost, there are different types of cost are involved in the business. Okay, so using a technology, we can predict, we can identify what kind of cost. The cost ascertaining part is very important. So the businessman, when they are using a technology, so of course they can go for taking a proper decisions the right time. And the improve communication, not only for the within internals, within the business, they want to communicate with the external also. Either they are communicating with the customer or employee or management or stakeholder. The communication process will be very easy. Okay, using like a cell phone or any other platform which is available for the communications using a technology. You can take an example for personal communications device. And the security, whenever you are using a technology, the security, so here few information can be published, few information cannot be published. They want to maintain a secrecy or confidence. So using a technology, so if you will get more clarity whenever you are using a internet banking. You are each and every time you are getting a OTP, right? So the same thing here, the technology is really highly secured here. So the management of technology, how you are managing your technology, because the technology also, which is one of the important in the business. So unless if you are not managing properly your technology, so improve the customer service, because each and every company, they are using based on the standardized or customized software or technology which is suit for your business. So of course the customer relationship easily you can improve. So see, whenever the customers are facing without meeting the any customer center, so easily they can raise their complaint, they can get a solution from the technology. And the reducing cost of operation, because of manual working, you need to maintain a proper number of books. So in case of technology, you are trying to go for reducing the books using a technology platform. So that's what the management can take a proper decisions toward your activity. And the continuous development of technology, because of rapid increasing, you can take an example 2G or 3G or 4G or 5G. Now generation is completely changing according to technology changes. The businessman, they want to adapt. So you need to manage what and all the latest version is available, how it is implemented, the timely you have to implement properly, otherwise your competitors can get advantages. New product and new market creation. Because of technology, easily you can go for offering a new product. The customer survey you can take, either the whichever which is before starting a production, you can get more information with the help of technology. Either any substitute company, they are offering similar product. What is the marketing strategy they adapted? How much they are charging? So easily the all related product information easily you can collect with the help of technology. Again, you can extend your market. You can you can focus for the global market using a technology like online platform. And the adaptations to change in the scale and format. So of course you need to adapt properly when the scale which is related to productivity increasing or cost minimizing. So there is something standard you are maintaining in the next one. IT resolutions and business environmental. IT resolution. So each and every century we are finding something changes, right? So the IT resolutions very fastly it is increasing. So of course the rapid increasing the technology. So as a businessman, as a normal people, they're getting a lot of benefit. So there is something like a latest technology, latest versions are available. So here to provide new way to design organization that can be lead to structure like IT. T form means IT form organization. So here there are a lot of demand for the software company. They are trying to develop the product according to the business requirement. So there is called like something like a customized software are developed for the business. If you take example for B.B.A, the bill generation, payroll generation. So Tally, ERP, okay, which is the best example. So there is something like a latest versions whenever it is introducing. So of course as a businessman they want to adapt. Create new relationship between the customers and supplier who electronically link themselves together. For businessman, both are equally important. They want to simultaneously they want to communicate with the customer as well as supplier. The right time is not getting a raw material. The right time you cannot offer, you cannot meet the demand for customer. So of course you have to maintain a good relationship using a technology. So that's why the managing is very important. So the IT, whenever the businessman are depending completely technology, so there should be something backup. So everything is very, very important. Enable tremendous efficiency in production and service industry through electronical data interchange to facilitate just-in-time production. Because in the business or industry, there is not only one department is working. So each and every department, the data whatever they are storing, the data whatever it is they are maintaining. So each and everything, the cross communications will be happening. Even the production related information is required for the purchasing department. The purchasing department, they want to communicate with the finance department. So the communications process will be very easy using a technology. And the change is the basic competition and the industry structure. For example, in the airlines and security industry, because the change of basic competition, the complete competitions, now we are standing in the competitions world unless you are not adapted the technology which is the latest. So of course you can overcome the problem like a competitions problem. Okay, of course there are different online platform. So most of the passengers are booking a ticket with the help of online or mobile application, so which is a part of the technologies, right? So easily everything is computerized. We are standing in the digital world, so we using an electronic platform we can meet our demand. So without wasting our time, we can go for payment, getting a service, okay, or with the help of online platform, whatever you want, without going for the showroom, you can purchase. And the contributions to the productivity and the flexibility of knowledge worker, the contribution of productivity. So here the basic qualification which is related to technical skill. If anybody want to go for getting a job in the technical field, of course IT information technology is playing a very important role here. So in the business, which is related to completely productivity increasing as well as the flexibility of knowledge of worker. So the timely, the updating, the at least the basic operations they must be knowing very clearly, and provide mechanism through the group where for coordinating work, creating knowledge, basis of organization intelligence. So because whenever the business are operating, of course there are set of group are assigned. So each and every group are communicating with the help of technology so that their work can be complete on time. To provide the manager with electronic alternative to face-to-face communication and supervision. So unless we are not using any technology, the communication, the lack of communication, the transparency, and even the fastness, everything you can avoid. So if you are using a technology, of course you can completely go for whenever you want to expect any communication data which is related to your planning or decision. Of course the manager, they want to communicate number of employee, number of groups, right? So even the top level management also, they are communicate with the middle level manager. The communication process is very simple here. Appropriate technology and technology adoption. Appropriate technology. So the suitability we need to check. Each and every business are unique, right? So the appropriate nature will be technology is completely which is unique. So as per your business, as per your requirement, you are adapting the technology. So when different technologies are available, it need to be an ensure that the technology chosen is the most appropriate for the company and country. Because even the software company, how they are developing as per the businessman requirement, they are trying to develop the program so based on the requirement. So the complete information, as a businessman, they want to convey to a software engineer so that they can design as per the your standard. So this could be due to reasons like a difference in the nature of factors such as topography, condition, climate, weather condition, soil condition, etc. Difference in the income level, scale of operation, demand condition, and use facility characteristic and the customer character. Not only one factors, not only one criteria they are not selecting. As a business to business, whenever it is completely changed, so they try to collect all the information. So either the product which is related to seasonal or climatical or the weather condition, okay? So you need to study everything before developing any technology or before adapting a technology. So the technology suitable in one environmental may not be appropriate in the different environmental, because the technology whatever you adapted, so which is not at all accepted by the other, okay, other businessman, because especially the software, especially the technology is made for that purpose only. So each and every business is varied, so the technology part is also varied. Keep on watch for next section. Thank you.